Hey, what's up guys? My name is Daniel with Invest in You Finance, and today we are going to talk about 3 ways to save you money on your auto maintenance every year. Let's get started with the first way to save money, and that is tire inflation. On average, people drive around 12,000 miles per year. If your car gets 20 miles per gallon, if you divide that out, that means that every year you are going to use 600 gallons. And if you multiply that times the price of how much the cost per gallon is, you get $2,400 is how much you are going to be spending per year for driving the vehicle that you have, if you have around 20 miles per gallon. However, if you keep your tires properly inflated and you check every week or every month at least, this could potentially save you 10 to 11 cents per gallon every year. Now, I know that might not sound like too much money, but over the long run, it'll turn into some money. So if we save 10 cents per gallon, we know that we drive, or that we're gonna spend 600 gallons per year. And if we multiply that times a savings of 10 cents, we're gonna multiply that times $3.90, because before it was $4, subtract 10 cents, you get $3.90, multiply that times 600 gallons, you'll get $23.40. So that's how much it'll cost you if you properly inflate your tires. This will also save on the tires themselves. It'll cause less wear if they're properly inflated. So that will save you money in the long run as well, whenever you have to get new tires. So if you subtract the original 2,400 minus the 2,340, you'll get a savings of $60. Now that's just one way to save money. You'll be saving around $60 per year just by keeping your tires inflated, and it'll help you save on the life of your tires, which is more important because tires are very expensive these days. So the next way to save money is changing your own air filter. At the dealer will charge you around $80 just to change your automotive air filter. And the air filter allows your engine to breathe. If your air filter is dirty, you're going to spend more money on gas because the engine can't breathe. Therefore, the engine's trying harder to move the vehicle, and you'll spend more money on gas. So if the dealer charges $80, why not see how much the air filter costs if you just do it yourself? So at the auto store, an air filter is typically around $15, and you could change it yourself. So if you subtract the $15 from the $80 that the dealer's charging you, you get $65. If you multiply that times 4, you get $260 that you saved every year just because you're willing to change your own air filter. Now, I know some people aren't mechanically inclined out there, but it's really easy to just search on the internet how to change whatever car, whatever truck, how to change my Tahoe's air filter, how to change my Chevy Malibu's air filter. You'll find videos online and they'll tell you step by step how to change the air filter. It's not that hard, and you could be saving $260 every year. So you see, the savings just start adding up. Another one that they always try and get you for is your cabin air filter. Cabin air filter, the dealer price is around $75. However, if you just go to your local auto store, Walmart, they have them for around $10. So if you subtract $10 from $75, you get a savings of $65. Again, multiply it times 4, that's $260 per year just by changing your own cabin air filter and Googling or looking on YouTube how to change my Honda Civic cabin air filter. So if you add all these up, $60 for keeping your tires properly inflated, $260 for changing your engine air filter, $206 for changing your cabin air filter, you get a savings of $580 per year. I mean, that's some savings that you can do whatever you want with that money. $580, you can invest it, you can go on a trip, you can do whatever you want. But these are just 3 things to help you save on money. Please stick with me. I'm gonna show you guys outside on my vehicle. It's gonna take 4 minutes or less and show you guys how to change your air filter, how to change your cabin air filter, and how to check for your tire pressure. Check it out now. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Daniel Lopez with Investing in Finance, and today we're going to talk about 3 ways to save you money on your auto maintenance. The first way is by checking your tire pressure. You're going to want to have your tire pressure always maintained so that way you can save on gas. And so the way you're going to find out how much tire pressure you need on your vehicle is you're going to open up the passenger or driver side door, and then you're going to check to see what the recommended PSI per tire is. This one has, the front says it's 29 PSI and the rear says it's 32 PSI. So once you check your tire pressure specifications, and all you need is your tire gauge, and you're just going to want to open up your tire and check it out. So right now mine's a little bit over, and I can adjust them accordingly. So this would be the first way to save money. By having your tires properly inflated, it'll help you get better miles per gallon on your vehicle. The next thing that you're going to want to do is check your air filter on your vehicle. Typically, most of the times you have clips that hold the air filter on, and all you're going to do is open up these clips, take off this, and check your air filter inside. By having a clean air filter, you will also be able to help save on gas. By saving on gas, it will help save you money. But also, you could change your own air filter instead of paying somebody to change it. Typically, they mark up the air filter to 50% or even 100%, and you can easily get the air filter at Walmart and AutoZone or any parts store. So that would be the second way to save money on your auto maintenance. And last but not least, the one that they always get you on is your cabin air filter. And your cabin air filter is typically located on your passenger glove compartment. So you're going to want to open up this, and there's 2 flaps. Normally you just push them down right here. Once you push them down, your cabin air filter will be in here. And mine is right here. All I have to do is pull this guy out and change it. So once I pull it out, I'll just go to Walmart and get this replaced. Come in, install the new cabin air filter, close this up. Put this back. And there you go. That'll be 3 ways to save on your auto maintenance. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe. Check out my other videos out there. Thank you. Catch you next one. Peace.